Merry Christmas and welcome back to Mimi's Home and Garden. Today's soup on Saturday is homemade vegetable beef soup. I've got a lot of cooking to do for the Christmas holidays. I'm going to start off with a pot of vegetable beef soup that we can have for lunches and for quick dinners during all the festivities. So your ingredients are a package of stewed beef meat cut into small bite-sized chunks, seasoned with salt, pepper, and a little bit of flour. Then I've chopped a medium onion, 3 stalks of celery, and we're going to add in 8 cups of water with some beef broth seasoning, a quart of stewed tomatoes that I canned, a package of baby green lima beans frozen, and then a package of green beans that I got from my garden this summer. I'm also adding in 3 chopped carrots and 3 chopped russet potatoes. So all of these ingredients are going to be put into a nice big soup pot. The first step is to brown the stewed beef into some hot vegetable oil, and I've added in the onions and the celery. I'm just breaking up the pieces of meat, and you're going to brown those in a hot skillet and then drain those off. Meanwhile, I have the stock pot of soup heating with the beef broth, better than bouillon beef broth in there. That gives it a nice rich base for the soup. So with this step, I am just going to brown all the meat and the onion and celery, drain it off into another dish that's layered with the paper towel, and then we'll add it to our soup pot. So here you can see I'm finishing up the browning process, draining off some of that extra oil from the meat. And then we're going to add it to the stock pot that's already come to a boil. Okay, now I've drained off the paper towels. I'm pouring that into the stock pot. I've got it on a nice high because I want it to come to a boil and give it a good stir. And now we will start adding in all of the vegetables that have already been chopped or ready to go. This is a quick and easy soup if you have all your ingredients together. So the first thing I add in is the quart jar of tomatoes, but you can use canned tomatoes. Always give it a nice stir when you add in each ingredient. So now I'm going to add in the carrots, the 3 russet potatoes that have been cut up, I'm going to add in the 2 cans of corn that have been drained. And if you have frozen corn, you can certainly use that. We have eaten all of that corn I put up this summer, so I'm having to use canned, but that's fine. The next thing is the frozen green baby lima beans. I bought these at a produce stand and put these up this summer. This is 1 quart bag, and they're frozen, and that's fine. They will quickly thaw in the boiling water. And now I'm adding 1 quart bag of the green beans. These were grown right outside my back door in my garden, and they are delicious. So as you can see, it quickly thaws these frozen vegetables, so everything gets a nice stir, incorporating all of the vegetables together. And look at that beautiful color. You've got yellow, green, orange, red. Very nice, healthy pot of soup. And you can season this any way you want. I always add salt and pepper, but you could certainly season it as the way that you and your family like to eat soup. So for dinner, we had 2 bowls of soup, and I put together a quick charcuterie board or a cheese board with some grapes, some slices of cheese, and crackers to go with this delicious soup. I have plenty of leftovers to use during the week for quick lunches during all of the Christmas activities that we have going on. So I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Merry Christmas!